Alright guys, we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting fractions today. So we're going to start with 2/5 plus 1/3. They're pretty easy fractions. It's easy to find your common multiple or common denominator. And we'll get into some harder ones in class tomorrow. But I want you to just see how it's done, get an idea of what all you have to do, because there are a few steps. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find the LCM, or the least common multiple, of your denominators, the least common denominator. So I went ahead and did that for you. We've got 5 and 3 up top. We notice that we have 15 in both of our columns. So 15 is our least common denominator. Now we need to make equivalent fractions. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2/5 has to equal something over 15. And this is where that being fair to your fractions things comes in. Because I have to look, okay, I've got 5 and 15. What did I do to 5 to get to 15? So, in order to get from 5 to 15, you know you have to multiply by 3. And you can use this over here too to help you. 1, 2, 3. Your skip counts can help. So 5 times 3, I need to do the same thing to the top. And I get 6/15. So then I'm going to do the same thing for 1/3. I know that 3 times 5 equals 15. So we're going to do the same thing here. And I have 5/15. So now, all I have to do is add my equivalent fractions. So instead of having 2/5 plus 1/3, I'm going to put my equivalent fractions right under it just so that I can see what they are. It makes my life a little bit easier. And then I'm going to add across. I've got 6 plus 5, which equals 11. And then my denominator stays the same. I am not going to add 15 plus 15. 15 is my denominator. And then I've got 11/15 as my answer. Okay, so we will spend a little bit more time on problems like this tomorrow, and we'll get harder and we'll add some subtraction in there as well. So go ahead and fill out your form, and I will collect that from you tomorrow.